Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start webinars with GoToWebinar, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the GoToWebinar website. Sign up for a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a Webinar button. Enter a title for your webinar. Select the date and time for your event. Choose the duration of your webinar. Add a description to provide attendees with additional details. Select the time zone for the webinar. Choose whether the webinar will be live or recorded. Decide if you want to enable registration for attendees. Specify any additional registration fields if needed. Set up reminder emails for your attendees. Adjust the settings for your webinar, including audio options. Select the presentation layout you prefer. Upload any media or presentation materials you want to share. Test your microphone and audio settings before the webinar. Invite co-organizers or speakers if necessary. Save your changes to finalize your webinar setup. Share the registration link with your audience. Rehearse your presentation prior to the live session. Log into your GoToWebinar account a few minutes before the start time. Click on the webinar to enter the session. Start your webinar by clicking the Start Webinar button. Engage with your audience through polls and Q&A sessions. End the webinar once you finish your presentation. Follow up with attendees by sending recording links and additional resources. Review webinar analytics to assess performance and engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.